Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your U.S. General. Five drawer tool card with side tray and deep compartment. Today is Tuesday, as you can see. We now back over at the storage unit, getting back to it, getting busy as always. All right. In today's video segment presentation will be a mixture of content amongst the stacking community just as well as the tool community. All right, I did just receive quite a few things, so I'm about to get them to the top of the tool cart. All right, we're gonna dive right into it. It's just something light, not nothing too crazy, but I ain't gonna hold you up too much more longer in the introductory of things. But as I always state, as usual, I always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background. My Dunkin' Donuts coffee. You already know. Okay. So pretty much I'm about to get quite a few things out to the top of the tool cart and get my box cutters out, and we're gonna dive right into it. So walk with me. Let's get it. Righty then, now got quite a few things out to the top of the tool cart, so we're gonna do things one at a time like I normally do. All right. So I'm gonna start with this white package first, and we're gonna dive right in. Let's get it. All right, coming out of this first package, seller left me a little note. Just something light. I needed some airtight capsules for some of my gold bullion coins. All right, these are 4/4 ounce gold coins right here. All right, so what I'm going to do is move along now into this yellow package, get the contents out so that we can inspect the items real quick. Let's get it. All right, coming out of this next following package, as you can see, I've received some copper rounds. All right, you can see this is United States of America. It shows 50 face value on it. Has like a octagon shape. The United States Asayer of gold, as you can see here. And this is basically what the obverse look like. A few days ago, I did put out a video talking about some copper, just as well as I also demonstrated and how I received a 1 pound copper bar. Right. I do look to diversify the precious metals, between copper, silver, gold, palladium, and platinum. All right. Even though copper, yes, it does, when you're accumulating, it does take up a lot of space, and copper, is heavy. More enough, I don't have an intent to, stack that many rounds, but I will stack, quite a few bars and keep them for safe haven and things like that, because all precious metals is driving in prices. All right. So it's good, just to have a couple of these different things around just in case. Just like I was explaining in the particular video, for every dollar of fiat currency that you have in your pocket, when it comes to 100 pennies, there is 8 ounces of copper per each dollar. All right. So I did demonstrate that in a video, on a scale and things like that, and how some of the new copper coinage is made out of clad, and that's what we call fake funny money. So what I do is I discard the fake funny money, and what I do is I pick up copper rounds and copper bars like these. All right. So once again, just to give you, a closer view and shot of this particular round. Now, as you take notice here, I have another round. All right. It's sealed. All right, and encased. This has somewhat like the American Eagle Liberty face, or forget the other name of the coinage, but this is another copper round. And then it shows you the obverse here. All right, this is minted by Golden State Mint. All right, this is 1 ounce of 3/9 fine copper. Okay. So you see it says do not remove or tamper with the seal. Right, it does have a barcode. Here I also picked up 2 other rounds. I'm gonna get them out of this little thing real quick so that we can get a good visual of those. All right, what you're looking at here is an Indian head copper round. This mainly falls in a category like how you would see your pre-33 coinage. I did demonstrate and show how I received a Golden State Mint silver round of this same Make Liberty Indian head the other day in another past previous video. And as you can take notice towards the back of the obverse, how it says Golden State Mint, right? And then it has the eagle, "In God We Trust." This is a nice coin just as well. And if you take notice down towards the bottom edge, it is 1 ounce, 3/9 fine copper. Okay. So just to give you another quick shot of the front face of the round. All right, moving along. What we're taking a look at here is another Liberty round, which is also copper. Right. Then on the reverse, it's copper 3/9 fine, USA made, 1 ADV P ounce. Right. Copper. This in that previous video when I was demonstrating the pennies on the scale, I was talking about the AVDP when it comes to the ounces in copper. All right. So as you can see, it has an eagle on the back with the shell with USA. All right. Just to give you another quick visual to the front of the round again, which is also a Liberty 1794. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're about to get into this box right here, and we're going to dive right in. Let's get it. All right, coming out of this box, this is an item of Snap-on right here. All right, this is fender protector. All right, so I'm gonna get this out of the box and get the box from off the top of the tool cart, and I'm gonna lay it out so that we can get a good visual on this right here. All right. So I did pick up this Snap-on fender protector, as you can see, in the red and black accents, you know, to go along with the cart and things like that. I actually have a another fender protector. I may throw that in a free tool giveaway. All right, which is also brand new. I have it tucked away back here in the storage. So more than likely, when I get the time and I get to pull it out, more than likely I will, you know, present it in a particular video. It'll probably be one of the items that I also give away as a, you know, in a free tool giveaway. All right. But this is, you know, Snap-on fender protector. It did come in nice. All right. It's almost in a somewhat resemblance of some of my Snap-on mats, which is the sockets, but this is showing the wrenches. I'm not quite sure whether this is the old stock or the new stock one right here, but I did catch it, you know, for a reasonable price. Right. So that's just basically what just came in just now, just to give you a little quick visual. All right, so we're pretty much going to end this video right about here. Like I stated, this was going to be a short and quick one today. I was just briefly stopping in at the storage unit at the prior moment. I'm not going to be here long. All right, today is Tuesday. I want everybody to enjoy the rest of their evening out there. Keep it a safe and a blessed one. Enjoy the good weather that we having at the prior moment. All right, and until that next tool review, that next tool haul, that next modification video, that next toolbox tour, we going to check you later. Peace.